Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Today is Friday. Thanks God. Okay, well, today is Friday, March 26th. As every Friday, we have to continue working with the science book, okay? This section of the science book is really, really, really easy. Why? Because you just have to learn some actions, and then you have to use it in some exercises after this page. The page is number 48, 48, okay? What do we have to do? You just have to pay attention because I'm gonna explain. Yes, most of the words you know it, you already know it, but I will try to say it again so you can remember them easily. Teacher, but I can't write the date because it's too dark. Don't worry, because you can write it in this side which is clear, okay? Now, what do we have to do? I am going to tell you the word, yes, and you have to pay attention because I am going to tell you the meaning. The number one, which is this one is running. You know what is running when you run. The number two, this one, playing soccer. You know, this is playing soccer. Okay, this here. The number three is playing dominoes. Yes, domino with the one that you put here on the table. Here, this is a domino. Okay. Now the number four is playing tennis. Okay, I show you. This is playing tennis. And going to the playground. Playground is where it's like a park, but you have many objects to play with. Okay, like a swing, etc. This is like a playground. Okay. Now playing softball. Playing softball is similar to the baseball. Instead of the hard ball, you use a softball. That's what the name. Okay, the next one is playing basketball. Do you know what is that? Okay, this you use something like this to play basketball. Then sleeping. You know what is sleeping? Oh, okay, this one, sleeping. Yes. And then the last one is reading. Yes, when you read something like this. Okay, now what do we have to do after you learn, after you memorize all the words we have here? You have to go to the orange notebook and you have to divide the page. Obviously, you have to write first the date, yes, and you will have to divide the page in 4 equal parts. Okay, as we do in the we usually do in the classroom. You will do something like this. Yes. If you can use a ruler, it's gonna be perfect. So you have to write the date in 4 equal parts, and you will choose four actions, 4 of your favorite actions you have here on page 48. Okay, remember you have to write number 1. Yes, and with red capital letter, you can write here. You can write here, for example, reading, and then here you have to yes, you have to draw it. Only 4 of your favorite, okay? After that, that's what you have to do on page number 48 and orange notebook. After the orange notebook, you have to go back to the science book and you have to go to page 49. Again, you have to write the date, yes? And the first part is healthy habits also include exercise, rest, and recreation, okay? Exercise, you know, exercise when you do exercise, when you play soccer, when you play basketball. Rest is when you go after exercising, you go to your sofa and you rest like, oh my God, I have to rest, okay? Now, the last one, which is recreation, is something you do to have fun, okay? When you do something and you are happy, like the boys here, look, we jump the rope or play sport to exercise and have fun. So those kids, as you can see, they are smiling, yes, because they are happy. So they are having a recreation. Then, what do we have to do here? It says, number 3, complete the sentences with your favorite recreation activity. Then make a drawing of it. Then you have, I have fun when here, it says, I have fun when I, and then you can choose one of the actions from here, Or if you have another one, you can write it like, I have fun when I play blades, for example, or I have fun when I play tazos, etc. You have to write something. Then inside the square, you have to draw what you wrote. Okay, draw what you have here. Something that you write here, you have to draw it here. Yes. So the last part of this page is that you have to write in each day how many hours do you sleep. It says, how many hours a week do you sleep? Complete the chart with the hours of sleep you get every night. So I'm gonna do an example here so you can have a better idea. Look, you have to do it in the book. I will do it here on the board just to explain, okay? So here you have something like Monday, and then you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Okay, you have something like this, okay? And what do we have to do? Suppose you have to check 2 weeks, but don't worry, just check only 1 week, okay? On Mondays, how many hours do you sleep? For example, on Mondays, I used to sleep 8 hours. This is my example. Please do it with your example, okay? 8 hours because I sleep 11. So if you count 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more or less 8. So I sleep 8 hours every day, except Friday because I sleep like 7. So if you add all the hours you sleep, you will have, well, you can include Sunday and Saturdays and Sundays. So I will do the addition only from Monday to Friday. So 8, 24, 39. Am I correct? Yes? Yes, I think so. So I sleep 39 hours a week, okay? So we have to write it at the end in total. Just write it, the hours you sleep every day, and then at the end, you have to write the total, okay, of hours. Then you have to answer the questions. You have to answer the questions. The question number 1, it says, I sleep, blah, 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 a day. Yes, I sleep, blah, 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 hours a week. And then circle the correct option you have on the bottom. It says, I need to sleep more or fewer. More or fewer hours, or the same number of hours every night. At the end, you have one more question. Well, it says, just answer with true or false. The letter A says, you need to sleep 5 hours every day. Is that true or is that false? You need to sleep only 4 hours a day. True or false? Then letter B, exercising and have fun when you smile are good habits or bad habits. So it says, is a good habit to have fun, false or true? And well, that's it. That's what you have to do. What do we have to do? You have to check the words from the page 88 and choose 4 of your favorites in the orange notebook, and at the end answer the page 49. And that's it. You can rest the weekend, and I'll see you, first God, the next Monday. And I hope you have fun this weekend, and please take care. Bye.